Bilis! At marami pa tayo.
Lapit mo rito. Sige, lapit mo sa akin. Lapit mo sa akin.
Ay, darling you! Good job, Jimmy. Rap na lang.
Yan, ganyan. Yan, ganyan.
What's that kaya?
Okay. Bilis. Nasaan na yun?
Oh. Rob.
Happy birthday, Tita Emmy and Michelle. Emmy. Okay. Excited kami. Kasi naman ang opening ng gifts. Oh, pwede open up. What is this kaya? From whom is this?
Emmy.
From Emmy.
And Michelle.
And Daran. Very nice. Very nice. Next. New Year happy birthday from the Bisaya family. Hindi, teka muna. Sa kanila, nasaan ba yun? Ito. Ayan. Okay, what is that? From the Bisaya family. Transformer and another t-shirt. Oh, sige. Okay. You read first from whom? To Neon from Kay and from May. Okay.
Doon, kabila.
Ayun.
You like it?
Teka muna. Itong Neon Cheng. Happy birthday from the Baxa family. Okay, please.
Slowly.
Okay. Tatambulan lang naman natin. Transformer. Okay. Para iba yung sampol mo. Okay. Again, come here, New York.
Very nice.
Kay Charo. Ito kay Charo. Ako na nga lang magbukas kung ayaw na nila yun.
Nakita na
New York. Ay, pantalon.
Malaki yata eh.
Hindi na ako yung kaya.
I-open fast. Come on, Mate.
Open more. There are more toys there, New York.
Transformer. Toys here. Transformer here.
Yeah, there's a fish.
Wala na.
Request of
One,
Transformer.
dalawa. na naman kami.
Para mapa.
Oh yeah, you wait first. I'll open first. Come on. What is this? Yeah, from Paolo and Nico. Ah, ito yung ano, yung pamangkin ni Kriste. Paolo and Nico. Ako nang mag-open. Eh, ayaw na eh. Naglaro na eh. Ganda, no? Yan. Paolo and Nico. Jaran. What is this? Ah, yung ano, yung parang kwan. Wait.
Building block.
Building blocks.
Naligaw na.
Wala na ligaw na eh. Paano pinaanda? Leo, come ha?
Hello, open your gift now.
Leo, hold here. Come on, you have more.
Ninang siya, no?
Yes.
The big one from Ninang.
Halika dito, Ivy.
Sa kabila siya.